Having the right equipment to do a French drain is really important. A lot of the areas that we put French drains in are hard to access. We have your traditional skid loaders as well as these mini skids. We're trying to basically get the French drain installed as economically as possible. It benefits the homeowner as well as us. We want to be competitive in the market of installing French drains, curtain drains, running downspouts. We want to be competitive in that market, so we have to have the right equipment. What's nice is when we're done and we grade everything out, we mend the turf, you can't even tell we were here. Put in a lot of pipe today, graded out the area. Homeowner is going to seed that. Gave him a really nice grade. There's our dry creek bed to a swale type ditch, if you will. When you want it done right the first time, give us a call.